Hello and welcome to my knowledge attribute page. So in here I have posted several artifacts that will prove that I have gained um, the knowledge attributes required to become a Tomasian chemical engineer. So in here you would find several artifacts such as my solved problem sets in general engineering subjects such as college algebra, trigo, differential calculus, as well as physics and the likes. So you will find several artifacts such as reports, class discussions, um, classworks that I have managed to collect. So during my first years at EST Engineering, um, I've learned to master certain engineering fundamentals that are applicable to my later subjects. So um, these include problem identification, collecting and analyzing experimental data, developing and verifying realistic model of experimental situation, um, finding solutions, and conclusion. So these mostly apply to my laboratory subjects and my um, laboratory subjects and physics laboratory. So another artifact you would find here is how I proved um, my ability to understand the effects and impact of chemical engineering profession on the environment and society. So I was part of the what's that? International Coastal Cleanup, facilitated by um, Professor Evelyn Laurito during our environmental engineering course. So we went to Lemery, Batangas, there we did the coastal cleanup, and where we collected garbage around the beach and then classified each garbage and then tallied how much garbage that we have managed to accumulate. So another thing that would prove my my understanding of the impact of the course is that the UST Chemical Engineering Society holds its seminars and symposiums last year about the um, different fields of chemical engineering. For example, it's part in the medical industry, part in its nanotechnology. Another is the part of chemical engineering in the food and power industry. So also in my knowledge attributes, you will be able to find some of my laboratory reports in chemistry, physics. Also, in our ethics class, we have researched and discussed in class the different relevant chemical engineering laws. For example, the most famous PRC laws and regulations on licensing, the Philippine Clean Air Act and the Toxic Pollutions Act, in which a safety officer would understand there. So we discussed certain relevant chemical engineering laws that are, or rather, the different laws and responsibilities of a chemical engineer. So also, being a part of the UST Chemical Engineering Society, I have managed to develop my leadership skills. Being a part of the student affairs, we facilitate seminars and career symposiums every year for the first years or for the students of chemical engineering. So also often in class activities, it works, homeworks are assigned via groups.